Congratulations to all from the Review A to Z YouTube channel. I hope everyone well and healthy today. I am going to show you electric rice cooker. The trains, which are very popular and used by people nowadays and also have a lot of acceptance from users all at the same time. Its price is very affordable compared to other companies. I am going to show these rice cookers that are very popular and used by people nowadays, and also have a lot of products. Mini electric cooker non-stick cooking 1 to 2 people single, double hot pot steamer hot pot multifunction electric cooker for home. Hein concerned chemical none. Supports appointment timing yes. Weight less than 2 kilograms. Application 1 to 2 people. Housing material plastic. Model number cooking appliances. Thank you very much for watching this full video. So support me to get this type of video regularly. If you want buy any product from here, use the affiliate link in the first comment. You can buy any product as per your requirement from here by just clicking on the link.